So we've got some people asking how to best use our college basketball model. So let's look at the Illinois versus Texas Tech game as an example. So the first thing you're going to see is the predicted outcome column, and this is what our model is actually projecting. Now, the cool part about this is that we're actually blending 3 different model outputs together to get the most accurate result. So next is current spread. So we're pulling in live lines from all the sports books every few minutes, so you always have the most up-to-date line. Now, this part is what separates us from everyone else, the spread cover probability. So we created a value framework looking at thousands upon thousands upon thousands of data points historically, looking at teams' chances of covering a number based off what that spread is, amongst other things. So we're not just guessing, saying that we think this team will cover, we're actually quantifying it. And the important part here is that as the spread changes, this cover probability will change as well. So in this example, we're saying Illinois will cover -5.5, and at a spread of -3.5, that's a 56.4% chance of happening. So as the spread changes, the cover probability will as well, which is why you will never hear us say just take a team. It is always take a team at a certain number and a certain price, because we want to make sure we have a positive edge. Speaking of which, the next column is the spread edge, which is just the cover probability minus the implied probability of the spread. So remember, -110 odds have a 52.4% implied probability. So all you're doing is taking our probability minus 52.4, and that's your edge there. Now, ideally, you want to bet anything with a 3% edge or larger, but how aggressive you want to be is up to you. And the last column is the coolest. This is the spread consensus. Remember earlier I said we blend 3 different model outputs to get our answer, but this tells you if all the model outputs actually agreed on the same side of a spread. So the current spread is Illinois -3.5, but let's say model A predicts Illinois wins by 3, model B predicts Illinois wins by 5, and model C predicts Illinois wins by 7. In that case, the predicted outcome would lean towards Illinois still, but you wouldn't have consensus because only 2 out of the 3 thought that Illinois would cover 3.5. But let's say model A predicts Illinois will win by 4, model B predicts Illinois will win by 5, and model C predicts Illinois will win by 6. Now, all 3 models also agree on the same side that Illinois will cover the -3.5. And when that happens, you'll see yes in the spread consensus column. So ideally, you're looking for bets where you have an edge and you have yes on the spread consensus. And this concept is the exact same for money lines and totals. So this can be a very powerful tool when you're looking at how to predict college basketball games. And we have this for every D1 game all season long. Regular season, postseason, so that's March Madness, NIT, CBI, you name it. So if you want to make smarter predictions, be sure to go to our site today, get access to it. And as always, stay sharp and good luck.